How to use Google's Nearby Share app on Windows. Google's Nearby Share app for Windows is a handy tool that allows you to share files and information between your Android devices and Windows PCs. To use it, you need to have a Google connected device like a Pixel phone or a Chromebook, and a Windows PC that supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You also need to download and install the Nearby Share app on your Windows PC. Once you have installed the app, you can follow these steps to use it. On your Android device, go to Settings, Google Device Connections, Nearby Share, and turn it on. You can also customize your device name, visibility, and data usage preferences. On your Windows PC, launch the Nearby Share app from the Start menu or the taskbar. You can also pin it to the taskbar for easy access. To share a file from your Android device to your Windows PC, open the file on your Android device and tap the Share icon. Select Nearby Share from the list of options and wait for your Windows PC to show up. Tap your Windows PC name and wait for the connection to be established. To share a file from your Windows PC to your Android device, drag the file into the Nearby Share app or right-click it and select Nearby Share. Wait for your Android device to show up and click on it. Wait for the connection to be established. On both devices, you will see a notification asking you to accept or decline the file transfer. Tap or click Accept to start the transfer. You can also tap or click Decline to cancel the transfer. Once the transfer is completed, you will see a confirmation message on both devices. You can also open the file on the receiving device by tapping or clicking Open.